Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today we'll go through all the top tricks that your headphones offers. So here, as you can see, the first main thing, these earbuds have an app, and I know this is SOUNDCORE. This thing shouldn't be that extra, that's super, but yeah. Not every single earbud on the market has its own application, so I think that this is worth mentioning. So this is the first thing. The second thing, yeah, no, we won't mention these normal things like, noise cancellation, transparency mode, or equalizers. We'll go through these advanced ones like Dolby Atmos, for example. Let's move to the Dolby Atmos for now. Tap this, no, it wasn't here. Tap SOUNDCORE effects. Dolby audio is here, as you can see. We have three modes of Dolby Atmos: music mode, podcast mode, and movie mode. Yeah, I didn't know that earbuds can support Dolby Atmos. And not only that, here they have preference test and ask for the equalizer. And if you want to create your own based on your preferences, and you don't know your preferences like these frequencies, etc., just tap this button and you will go through test, select your favorite tones of the music, and it will do for you. So apart from that, here if you scroll all the way down, you'll find the gaming mode. The gaming mode will shorten the latency and enhance the footsteps, sound, etc. Here we have earbud sensitivity, but it's only to the touch control, so it's worth mentioning, but I don't really think that this is a top trick. If you tap this gear icon over here, you will find the encode sound awareness, wrong detection, and adaptive sound leakage compensation. These three options, I think that these three options that should encourage you to buy these headphones. Here, apart from that, if you tap sound mode, you will find the LDAC codec. I think the LDAC codec wins here. And that's it. I would hope. See you and goodbye.